Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Zen on Xbox. First, connect your Zen device to your computer with a micro USB cable. Next, install the Zen Studio software and update its firmware to the latest version. Then, plug your Xbox controller into the Zen's one port. Finally, connect the Zen itself to your Xbox console's USB port to power it on and begin. Once your Zen is set up, open Zen Studio on your computer and navigate to the Programmer tab. Here, you can easily drag and drop your chosen game packs or custom scripts into one of the 8 available memory slots. Remember to configure each game pack settings to perfectly match your in-game preferences. After making your selections, save these changes directly to your Zen device for immediate use on your Xbox. While playing, you can make real-time adjustments directly on your Zen. Simply press the small button on the device to access its OLED menu. Use your connected Xbox controller to navigate through the various settings and options. This allows you to fine-tune game pack mods, such as anti-recoil or rapid fire, on the fly. Remember to save your preferred settings for different games or personal profiles. To ensure a smooth experience, always double-check that all your cables are securely connected to prevent any unexpected disconnections. Regularly check for the latest firmware updates to keep your Zen performing optimally. If you encounter any issues, consult the official Zen user manual for detailed troubleshooting guides. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with different game pack settings to discover your ideal setup for every game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.